Excelsior! Today I want to talk about some keyboard shortcuts that's really helped me keep my hands on the keyboard to be faster at my data entry or data calculations. So, to access the keyboard shortcuts, we hit Alt. And Alt, as you see, is going to show little letters in the ribbon under different tabs. So this helps you decide what tab you're going to access. So I want to let's bold out the key for command cell. So we're going to come over here to key for command. I'm going to hit Alt, and then bold is under the home tab. So I'm going to access that by hitting H, and then now you'll see all the different keystrokes to different commands on the home tab. Now bold is in the number 1 keystroke. So we're just going to hit number 1 on the keyboard, and there we go. Key for command is now bolded. So let's go over that one more time. We're going to hit Alt to access those keystrokes. We're going to hit H for home for the home tab, and 1 for bold. And there you have it. Now this is a great way to keep your hands on the keyboard so you're not keep going back between your different key arrows and your mouse. And then this will become really helpful when we start writing macros and having to access those commands on a large scale. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. For any more of the Excel tips you want to hear about, please leave a comment below. I would love to help out in any way I can. Again, thank you very much for listening, and take care.